In this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide your WhatsApp status from specific contacts on your iPhone. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Next, tap Updates from the bottom menu to open the status section. Now, tap the three dots in the top left corner and select Status Privacy. Here, you can control who can see your WhatsApp status with three different options. The first option is My Contacts, which allows all saved contacts to view your status. The second option is My Contacts Except. Select this option if you want to hide your status from specific people. Tap Edit, choose the contacts you want to exclude, and tap the check mark to save your changes. The third option is Only Share With. This allows you to show your status only to selected contacts. Tap Edit, choose the people you want, and confirm your selection. You can also manage the Allow Sharing option to control whether others can share your status updates. Once you update these settings, your WhatsApp status visibility will change according to your preference. That's how you can hide WhatsApp status from specific contacts and manage WhatsApp status privacy settings on iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials and tips.